Reaching the top of the house shouldn't require a ladder or a full workout. This Swiffer duster kit with the 3-foot extendable handle is one of those cleaning tools I bought a couple years ago and still reach for it all the time because it makes the hard to reach stuff feel easy. The extender wand is perfect for ceiling vents, ceiling fans, tall window ledges, chandeliers, and even behind TVs where dust loves to hide. And the 360-degree duster design, well, it grabs dust from every direction, so you're not just pushing it around. It also picks up way more dust than a traditional feather duster. Swiffer says up to 5 times more. So you get that, it's actually clean feeling fast. This kit comes with the extension pole and a pack of refills. I happen to use my refills up and now I'm on to more, but I'm going to order the ones that come in this pack again. And you just love the fluff duster, extend pole, and go. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.